What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, over here on Sugarfingers. Y'all, this is where we do all of our girly stuff. So today, guess what? I got a gift in the mail from Modelones. Absolutely excited to share this with y'all. It is the Rainbow Acrylic Powder Kit. Y'all, I was super excited to get this, and when I opened the box, I was just blown away by the colors. Totally blown away. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow acrylic powders. And honey, you know what? This will be an experience for me because you know your girl is not the best at acrylic, but you know, at least I'll give you all the opportunity to see me swatch these. And for those that are skilled at acrylic, you all will be able to see these beautiful colors. Now let me talk about what you get in the kit. It will include 5 acrylic powders, which you see here, and they are 1 ounce sizes. You'll also get a liquid monomer here, and it is 120 milliliters. You'll also get an acrylic nail brush, which is here. Pretty nice. And 100 pieces of the nail extended paper trays. Didn't get that in my kit, so I'm not really sure if it's just because they don't like me or what. Well, I don't know. I'm just kidding, but they didn't include it in mine. So fortunately, I do have some, but I don't think I'll be using the nail extenders on this particular attempt. Okay, so I will definitely try to reach out to them and possibly get some of those, but I do have some if I need some. But anyway, thanks anyway, Modelones, for sending these over. So what I'm going to try to do is swatch each of the colors on each of my nails today and let you all see them live here swatched, and you'll be able to check them out. So in the kit, there's again 5 different colors. Those are the colors, and I hope you all enjoy these swatches. Again, they look to be beautiful. This is just a display of them from the website. So now let me go ahead and do my look and let you see that. And thank you all so much for coming to hang out with me here on Sugarfingers. Now let's try to get this first attempt of these rainbow acrylic powders done. And y'all, the amazing thing about these acrylic powders, they are actually 2-in-1s. You can actually use them for doing acrylic nails with monomer, or you can use them as dipping powders for dip nails. How about that? So I'm super excited to do that, and I'll attempt to do the acrylic nails. If that doesn't work out, y'all know I can do dip nails pretty good, but it's all a matter of trying. So if I apply myself, I'm pretty sure eventually I'll be good at acrylic nails, but let's get to it today. Okay, beautiful babes. Now remember, when you finish this video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, hit the post notification bell, turn on all notifications so that each and every time I upload, you will be in the know. And I appreciate each one of y'all. And please always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Bye now. All right, this one is number 05. Then we have 07, and this is 06, and then we have 02, and then we have 13. All are beautiful shades. I will mix and match these on my nails, and great, I have 5 for 5 nails. So let's get to it. All right, beautiful babes, I'm in the home stretch of doing my acrylic nails. Oh my gosh, y'all, I tried acrylic nails once upon a time, okay? So I know all of you professional nail techs are going to be like, oh girl, you are doing that like so wrong. But I got it on there. That's all I can say. I got it on there and I'm going to wear these, okay? They're a bit thick, but that's my fault. Not the fault of Modelones, because these rainbow acrylic powders are beautiful. As you can see, they are so beautiful. I mean, I'm just ready to splash in the pool, you know, to put my sunshades on, put on my bikini and say, woo woo, look at me. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And if you do, make sure you drop a like on it. I will have the link to the Modelones Rainbow Acrylic Kit, the 2-in-1 powders. You can use these for your acrylic nails or you can use them for dip powder. So they are perfect for me. I can do either or. And right about now, I did that. I think they're cute. Yes, they are. So I'm just putting on my cuticle oil right now, getting the hands all, you know, back a little lubricated, because you know when you do all this stuff, they get a little bit sick, you know, they get a little bit dry. And there you are, beautiful babes. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for hanging out with your girl here on Sugar Fingers. And I'll have the link to these Modelones Rainbow Acrylic powders down below. Check it out. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful babes. Thank you so much. And remember, always keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. Just a final look here. Take a look. There we go. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.
You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry?